25 years after the event that many believe saved Great Britain, the successful evacuation from Dunkirk, this newsreel was produced by Universal Newsreels.
May 26, 1940, the beaches at Dunkirk, and the beginning of an 8-day saga that prevented the complete annihilation of the Allied armies. In the face of a fierce Nazi onslaught, Belgium had collapsed, and British and French troops were trapped in a pincers as German forces advanced relentlessly. Overnight, a flotilla of 900 craft was assembled to evacuate the defeated troops, and thus began one of the major miracles of World War II. British planes were in control of the air, and that cover enabled the hundreds of sea craft, manned by indomitable crews, to move into shore and pick up the men. 345,585 troops were brought safely to Britain, men who were to form the nucleus of an invading force 5 years later. Balloons protected the landings in Britain of the exhausted men. Weapons and equipment abandoned, they were grateful to be alive. And to a man, they were anxious to take up the fight for freedom once more. The Germans had taken 1 million prisoners in the collapse of Belgium, and France was to surrender a few weeks later. Never did the cause of the Allies look blacker, but the miracle of Dunkirk was an omen to the British and the French. They had snatched a major victory from the jaws of defeat. In less than a year, this tattered force was a potent army once more. Hitler abandoned plans to invade Britain, and he lost control of the air. The war may well have been won by the Allies on the beaches of Dunkirk.